we are having some homemade. Look at those buttery buns. I can't even go on with what I was trying to say. Look at those buttery buns. These are Italian grinder sandwiches for Super Bowl Sunday. Don't they look absolutely delicious? Ooh-wee. And we have some protein chips with some salsa and a pickle. And we are drinking orange tangerine flavored water today. Ooh-wee. Who want a yummy bite? What y'all eating for Super Bowl Sunday? What's up, Yummybites? Welcome back to another episode of Cooking Keto with Yummybites. Y'all, today we are having, this is like, I'm trying to like do recipes for Super Bowl this weekend. You know what I'm saying? Didn't even know it was this weekend. So we're doing Italian grinder sliders. I don't think I've ever done this before. I know I've done sliders, but I don't know if I did Italian grinder sliders before. Anyway, it's one of my favorite sandwiches to eat, but we're gonna do it in a a mini little bun today. And these buns that I'm using are carb free. Okay, carb free. Anyway, who is ready to get started? Let's do it. All right, y'all, so right now we are about to make the grinder salad minus the lettuce, because we're gonna add the lettuce later because lettuce likes to wilt when it's in sauce. So we're gonna start off with some mayo. You can use whatever kind of mayo you want, and I am not using any type of measurements because I'm making this for me, so I have to make a smaller portion. And this is the 100% pure avocado oil mayo from Chosen. And then we're gonna go in with some of the sliced pepperoncinis. And you can cut those up if you want to, but I'm just gonna leave them just like this. Then we're gonna go in with some red onion. Thinly sliced red onion. And I like lots of onion, so. Then we're gonna go in with some garlic powder. If you have some oregano, put some oregano in there. Then some Italian seasoning. I don't have any oregano. And then we're gonna go in with some red wine vinegar. Some red pepper flakes. And you can use some shredded Parmesan cheese or grated. I'm using grated because I don't have any shredded. And you're also gonna add lettuce to this, but I'm not adding my lettuce right now. It's gonna be shredded lettuce. And it's gonna be iceberg, but I don't have iceberg either, y'all. I have romaine, so that's what I'm gonna use. some salt. This is Celtic salt. Okay. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our sandwich together, and we're gonna preheat our oven to 400. So we're gonna take out some foil. Like that, because this is what we're gonna sit our sliders on. Do I need another piece? So these are our 0 carb rolls. And we're just gonna take them out of here whole because we need to cut them in half. Okay, that's what they look like. I wish I had the other one, but I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do to fix that. So I'm gonna take my keto hot dog buns, okay? Watch your girl work, honey. I'm gonna take one of these buns. And we're just going to cut it to where it can fit right in that little groove. And it's already, wait, okay. I need to cut it. Okay, so we're just gonna sit her right there. And we're gonna cut the, y'all, please be careful with cutting these. Make sure your knife is super duper sharp. And don't use a serrated knife. I don't think that's the knife for this. Okay, I think I got it through the middle. I think I got it. Yes, I got it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is take some mayo, and we're gonna put some mayo down on the bottom bun. Then we're gonna take our meat. This is some ham. My ham that came from the deli got old, so I have to use this. And I'm trying to use all the deli meats that we have in the refrigerator right now, honestly. Alright, so make sure you put your cheese down first, y'all. I should have put my cheese down first. This is pepper jack cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna take some of this corned beef. You can use whatever medley of meats you want. But this is my Italian sandwich. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna go in with some salami. And then some pepperoni. Okay, and now we are going to put this in the oven so the cheese, just so the cheese can melt, so about 10 minutes. Turn your top buns over so the top of them can toast. All right, so now we are going to add our lettuce to our mixture here. And this is just some romaine lettuce, and I just shredded it, okay? You could use regular iceberg because that's usually what people use with this, but I didn't have that, so I'm using what I have. I'm just gonna mix this together until all of the dressing is covering our lettuce. Oh my God, it looks so good. Look at that. That's what it's supposed to look like. All right, y'all, so we got it out of the oven. It looks absolutely delicious. The buns, our top buns are nice and toasted. And now we're just gonna go in with our grinder salad and just put it all over the top. Sandwiches. And make sure you melt some butter because we're gonna put some butter on top of the buns. Now I'm going to pile this on my sandwich because this is my favorite part of the sandwich. So we're gonna take our melted butter and we're just gonna pour it all over the top of the bun. This one too. Then we're gonna go in with some pickles. And then some tomatoes. Now omit anything you don't like, because you don't have to put it on here. That, and then we're gonna take our top buns, put them right on the sandwiches, plus the hot dog bun. And then we're gonna get it on a plate, some kind of way. I guess, just like this. Uh-oh. This is, oh my gosh, really? Alright, so this is what it looks like. We're gonna have to go in with a knife and cut through this. And we have some loaded taco protein chips. we're just gonna put right here. Put our pickle right there. Boom. Doesn't this look delicious? Who wants a yummy bite? Who is ready for the game, girl? I am. That's all I'm gonna be doing is eating. I ain't watching no daggone game. If y'all enjoyed this recipe, please let me know in the comments, girl. Thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, share my videos everywhere, and tell me how good this looks, okay? And we're drinking orange tangerine flavored water today. And yeah, y'all let me know some more recipes that y'all like to eat though for game day, like for Super Bowl. Let me know, cause you know what I'm saying? I need to know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.